we're still on the same painting. Anyway, I wanted to show you something. We've already painted this morning, but you know what? You don't know that because you could be looking at it at any time. But I just want to show you how to use the brush. So we're going to go right in here, and I'm just going to use it. Use the paint, you know, in a nice way. Just kind of letting it sit there. I've just added, this is the cadmium red mixed with magenta and then a small bit of dioxazine purple. But now I'm going to do one without so much of the dioxazine purple. Dioxazine. You should probably have chemistry lessons when you paint. And anyway, I'm going to add a little bit of that brilliantness right on top. Just put it on there. And so I'm picking up the paint and loading my brush. Here, I'll do another one up here. Squishing it down, twirling it about, following the line. If you've got two colors on your brush and they're not totally mixed up, even better. You wouldn't think so, but yep. And I'm just kind of deciding where I might like to have a bit more, just squish it down, a bit more emphasis. And even within this one, I'm going to create lights and darks. So I'm just picking up the tiniest bit of white and yellow to add to that. Let's see, I'm not happy with it yet. Hold on. Right with you. And okay, let's see. So that's probably the highest most point. So since it is the highest most point, the puffiest out, going to catch the most light, I'm just going to add where I think that might be. And sometimes, you know, you can just add the paint and that will describe where the highest most point will be. You don't always have to decide ahead of time. Just press down on the brush, and then I'll just show you one where it's within this small space. My color has dried a bit so that I can see the darkness underneath that, so I'll have to go back in. But I'm going to put just a bit more of just the plain right here and here. And I'm going to add some dioxazine purple now in a serious way. Pick up more of the magenta and the dioxazine purple, and so that you can't tell whether it's purple or red. And I'm going to get right into the dark. This might be a little bit overkill, but I just kind of wanted to show you how to give even the smallest areas some depth. And I'm just gently touching the paintbrush, letting the paint come off of my brush and onto the area. And that's today's little lesson.